I'm going to demo the motion activated magnetic night light by Cruzon. You'll find that the product comes with the night light base, the top, some instructions, and also a 3M adhesive. To add batteries, you'll want to remove the backing of the light piece. The first time you open the backing, it typically is tougher to open than all subsequent opens. What helps is if you have something tacky to grip that backing with. Items you can use to help with that are rubber gloves, jar opener, pan liner, even some saran wrap to get a good grip on that. And again, all additional times that you open that should be easier than the first. With that backing removed, I'll now add the batteries, and it takes 3 AAA batteries, which are not included in your package. On the device, you have 2 knobs. One has off and on, one has auto and on. With the device set to on and on, that light will permanently stay on. That does not utilize the motion activation that this device offers. To use the motion activation, you'll want that set to on and auto. The first time you put it to on and auto, that light will take a couple minutes to shut off. Then that light will only illuminate when it's in a darkened room and when it senses motion. So we'll test that now. With that set to on and auto, I'm going to test it in this darkened room. Again, that light will take a couple minutes to shut off. It's been about 45 seconds to a minute. I'm going to check now. As I open the door, you can see the lights off, and when it senses me in range, that light will come back on, and that will only light up in a darkened room on that automatic setting. It will not light up in a lit room. In a darkened room without motion, it'll take about 30 seconds before that shuts off. The base of your magnetic night light will stick on most metal surfaces. If the metal surface has a coating, as with this refrigerator, you can see that it slides a little bit. There are a couple ways to solve for this problem. One is you can put it over something to prevent it from sliding. 2 is you can remove, there's a false bottom to this that will remove to enhance that magnetic strength. To remove the bottom, I'm just going to take this, twist it slightly, and that backing will come off. By removing it, it creates a better connection with the magnetic surface. So feel free to do that if needed. And now with that backing removed, it doesn't slide at all. Additionally, the product comes with a 3M adhesive, and that can be applied to the rear of this device to attach it to any surface, metal or not. And obviously, the device works great on any flat surface. It can be pointed in any direction, so you don't necessarily have to stick it to a wall. This nightlight is perfect for cruising. It's perfect for at-home use, for RVs, for anywhere that you need a light in the middle of the night with a motion activation. If you have any problems at all, the team at Cruzon is wonderful about replying and fixing any issues. They can be contacted at any time at the email address hello@mycruzon.com. They typically get back within a matter of an hour.